because I have heard so much bad about Mr. Wallace. And Radcliffe can't tell you about him.
And your friend are going a business with Radcliffe. Tell me something. How well you know your friend?
Well, to tell you the truth, first, I wouldn't call him my friend because I don't like to talk on phone daily or so. We grew up in the community and as I say, I'm left at tender age. And over 20 years now, I see him. Right? I'm going to the army and as I said, you know the army change people to be a better person. And him come back now, take over his father, funeral homes and invest in that. And him just say him want invest in the community and for the top of the hill, them really need it up there. And him seems very genuine to me. So I just think say him genuine.
I hope him genuine. But here my concern though. You say it's one out of two persons, either the taxi driver or Radcliffe. Do what them do to you, run you off of the road. King a come home. Me might have to put somebody by you for watch. Because if you leave yourself, you have to go be very, very careful.
Tell you the truth in Bubbles. Stop living my life in a fear. I have a business I run, I have George businesses I monitor. I have a community I develop where the people them look up to me and George so much. I'm afraid of Reds. I'm stop afraid of Radcliffe now. So you can't do anything when you want to do.
We know what you and George do for the community. And that is why we can't take a chance. We have to keep them safe. So I understand you're not living your life in any fear from Radcliffe, but understand from our point of view. So we have to keep them safe.
Well, just do what I have to do, you know. But just so you know, my daily routine, I go on just like any other day. And I can't tell you this much. Me have eyes up on the top of the hill on Radcliffe too, you know, because I don't want to manipulate Tony. So, just do what you have to do.
Alright, Jane, may I hear you? All me I ask you for the door is give me a schedule of your daily runnings so me can keep eyes on you.
Easy 1-3 that man, I can do that.
So, you're prepared for the return of Mr. Connolly, your boo?
I'm happy, but at the same time, I worry. Because I know George, I know say something I want, but I not tell him. And I know him temperament. And as long as him there and me and him there face to face, I'm not gonna hide nothing from him. But I just me. And I tell him things now coming, I want him get himself in a problem. But once he get in my face, I have to tell him.
Well, Jen Irwa, you just try explain to him in the calmest way you can. And just make him understand. Say, we have it under control. See, for the little time if they warm, we have to make sure that something they come off him foot, but him have to be on him best behavior.
You not worry yourself. Once him there, he have the entire house, the entire yard for himself. And food, not a problem.
But you have to get the most important thing.
What that now?
No, you?
I can tell him now who are going to be very happy when they hear them come out. The Spanish Town crew. Because you know them not left me an inch. You know me have to put on a big pot of soup and cook some food that day there.
Yeah, man. Mega move now, Jen. I'm just glad say the space free up and your head space somewhat clear and thing. So, you know me. Always I tell you, keep your eye open. Anything strange, let me know. Whisper. We have to go Spanish Town tomorrow. Yeah. We're gonna pick up Mucha. We'll send her the details later.
A whole brother. I have a whole brother. I ain't see it fit for tell me.
Me dey go tell you, Tony, and but
What? You can't bother? You forget? It slip you? What?
Tony and I was embarrassed.
Embarrass a who? Your own son?
Yes, when turned out to be.
You and the father, whoever him is, leave the youth for suffer.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Oh what? The truth hurt you?